Hello everyone, NCERT generate the concept step by step. All of you welcome in class 9 mathematics second chapter polynomial. From starting this chapter you can see my last two videos. In this segment means third segment we will discuss some solution of exercise 2.1, then also discuss some NCERT exemplar problems. Now see question in last video we discussed up to question number 2. So come to question number 3. Give one example each of binomial degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. See, binomial means two term, so we can write two term like x plus x power 35. Since we have to write binomials, so we should write two term and also maintain degree 35. So highest power of variable must be 35. So we can write any like px equal to x square plus x power 35 or py equal to y cube plus y 35 like that. So many answers we can give. Also monomial of degree 100 means say pz equal to z power 100 or 5 plus z power 100 or py equal to minus 1 plus y power 100 like that. So many answers we have given. Okay, now come to question number 4. Write the degree of each of the polynomial. You know very well, degree of polynomial is the highest power of variable. See, here first part 5x power 3 plus 4x power 2 plus 7x. So here we can easily see that variable highest power of variable is 3. So we can say degree is 3 and also named cubic polynomial. Like fourth part, here only 3 means px equal to 3. So here 3 is constant polynomial. So as we earlier, as I told earlier you that degree of constant polynomial is 0. ओके, सो इस तरह से वेरिएबल की जो पावर है उसको देख के हाईएस्ट पावर को देख के हम उसकी डिग्री बता सकते हैं. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्लासिफाई द फॉलोइंग एज लीनियर क्वाड्रेटिक एंड क्यूबिक. सी फर्स्ट polynomial x square plus x. Now here highest power of variable x is 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. As we discussed in last video, in that video we classified the polynomial according to degree. Similarly, fifth part, that is 3t, means polynomial in t equal to 3t. Here variable is t and t power 1. So this is linear polynomial. Is it okay? Now some exemplar problems we can also discuss. First of all, which one of the following is polynomial? Here see, we have four options. So easily you can say first is not polynomial because 2 upon x square x power minus 2. Okay, here C is polynomial because after simplification we will get x square plus 3x because नीचे रूट x है अपन में, तो रूट x को आप ऊपर जब लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट रहेंगे तो x पावर 3/2 माइनस 1/2 हो जाएगा. सो इसका ऑप्शन हो गया सी. जब आप सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा सी. सेकेंड, रूट 2 इज अ पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री, हम सब जानते हैं 0 बिकॉज रूट 2 इज कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ थर्ड, डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल 4x पावर 4, ये आप पढ़ लीजिए, देख लीजिए इसको. इसमें वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है? 4. अब आप बोलेंगे नहीं, x की पावर तो 5 ही है, बट उसके साथ कोफिशिएंट क्या है? 0. कोफिशिएंट क्या होना चाहिए? नॉन जीरो, वो उसकी डिग्री होती है. ओके, सो हियर 4x पावर 4, आपको याद होगा जैसे हम एग्जांपल बोलते हैं px इक्वल टू ax प्लस b, तो हम वहां पर क्या बोलते हैं, a इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, तभी वो लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल बनता है. सो हियर 0 जिसका कॉफिशिएंट है उसको हम नहीं लेंगे. इसको क्या लिखा जा सकता है, 4x पावर 4 प्लस 5x प्लस 7. सो हाईएस्ट पावर क्या होगी 4, सो डिग्री क्या होगी 4. डिग्री ऑफ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल, देखिए आगे ना क्वेश्चन क्या होगा इसका आंसर, यस, नॉट डिफाइंड, बताया था आपको. सो नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, that is if px equal to x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1, then p 2 root 2. So if we put 2 root 2 in place of x and simplify, then we will get the answer 1. So correct option is 1. In this way we will discuss in every segment some exemplar problems. Till then, next we will meet in next segment with some new concepts of this chapter. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.